Alright, me, Detergent, and my friend, he will go unnamed because he does not have a name. But we're going to be cooking pump bobbies.
I was put in a dumpster. That was...
Don't mind him sometimes. He, like, does a little weird stuff. I'm not going to be giving away this color code because this is my new color code. But, yeah. Let's go! Like I said, I will not be giving away this color code because this is my new color code. So, yeah. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Why were you in here?
I'm trying to sneak up on him!
That's embarrassing.
Hey! Oh my gosh, that is so cool!
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Hi! Bro, where do we go? Why do you have such a big hat? Is it covering that big head that you have? No. Why'd you violate that?
Who are you talking to?
It's not you. I'm gonna die. Watch out! Hello!
Which one of y'all planning an airstrike? I hear it.
Bro, why are you doing that? You should go back to deep.
You're talking to a kid.
What you doing back in here?
Oh. No, what's that now? Anyone even tagged?
Hey bro, look.
Wait, what the heck, man?
That's funny. Both figuring out how to close off.
This means the L.
He only has 3 fingers. Bro's having a midnight crisis. He only has 3 fingers.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna tag us.